Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can quickly search message in our Instagram chat room. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all we need to go to our Instagram direct messages. We can click on this icon to open the Instagram DM, and here you can select your chat room on Instagram. And for example, I'm just going to select this personal chat, and I'm going to search for a message in this chat. We can click on the account name right here and then click on the search menu, and you can enter the keyword for the message you want to search. For example, I'm just going to enter this keyword. Okay, and this is the result. We just need to tap on that and the Instagram will bring us to the message we want to search. Okay guys, and that's how we can search for a message in our Instagram chat room. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.